Hi, Miss. Today I'm going to discuss how much interest you earn in 5 years if you invest 3,000 pesos at the interest rate of 9% per year. So today I'm going to show you how to get the interest using this formula. So interest is equals to the principal multiplied by the rate and the rate multiplied by the time. So the principal is 3,000 multiplied by the interest rate, which is 9%, and we can express it into decimal, which is 0.9, and multiplied by the time, which is 5 years. So first we multiply 3,000 multiplied by 0.9, and the answer is 270, and the 270 we can multiply it by 5. 270 multiplied by 5, and the answer is 1350. So 1350 is the interest. So next, I'm going to show you how to get the principal if someone paid $250 in interest for a loan they had. The rate of simple interest was 5.5% and the loan was for 3 years. So the question is, what was the principal they borrowed? So I'm going to show you how to get the principal using this formula, which is interest divided by rate times time. The interest is $250 and the rate is 5.5%, which is we can express it into decimal, which is 0.055. So the time is 3 years. So to solve the principal, we must write the interest, which is $250 divided by the rate, which is 0.055, multiplied by the time, which is 3 years, equals to $250. So 0.055 multiplied by 3 is 0.165. Next is we're going to divide the $250 and the 0.165. So the answer is 1,515.15 cents. So this is the principal. So next, I'm going to show you how to find the interest rate if someone borrows $10,000 and pay $3,625 in simple interest over 5 years. So the question is, what was the simple interest rate? So to find the interest rate, we must use this formula: interest divided by the principal that multiplied the time. So as you can see, the principal is $10,000 and the interest is $3,625 and the time is 5 years. So first, we're going to divide the interest and the principal times time. So first, the interest is $3,625 divided by the principal, which is $10,000 multiplied by the time, which is 5 years. So $10,000 multiplied by the 5 is $50,000. You must copy this interest. So to get the interest rate, we must cancel this dollar sign, and so 3,625 divided by the 50,000 is 0.725. To get the interest rate, we must Move the decimal into 2. So 1, 2. So the interest rate is 7.25%. So this is the rate. Last, how to solve time in simple interest if someone borrowed $1,500 and paid $288 in interest. So the simple interest rate was 6.4%. So how many years was the loan for? So to solve the time in simple interest, we can use this formula, which is interest divided by the principal times the rate. So the principal is $1,500 and the interest is $288 and the rate is 6.4%, or we can express it into decimal, which is 0.064. So to solve the time is equals to the interest, and the interest is $288 divided by the principal times rate. So the principal is $1,500 times the rate 0.064. So $1,500 times 0.64 is equals to 96. So to get the time, we can cancel the dollar sign. So 288 divided by 96 is equals to 3. So that the loan is for 3 years.